Stop making AI videos that don't get views. Are you still creating AI videos that fail to attract an audience? If so, it's time to rethink your strategy. Repeatedly doing the same thing won't work when YouTube algorithms are constantly evolving. Without captivating content, your videos will either gain no traction or stop getting views altogether. But don't worry, I'm introducing an incredible AI video generator that will revolutionize the way you create content. With just one click, this tool can produce hyper-realistic motion videos that grab your audience's attention and keep them engaged longer, driving exponential growth for your channel. Introducing Genie AI, a game-changing tool that allows you to easily create both short, engaging videos and long-form YouTube content, up to 8 minutes. It's designed to simplify video creation, making it accessible to everyone. The best part? You can start using it for free and explore its full potential without any initial cost. Let's dive into how you can transform your content using Genie AI. Step 1. Sign up and get free credits. To get started, use the link provided in the description below to sign up. Don't worry, you won't need to enter any credit card information. As a bonus, you'll receive 100 free credits to start generating videos at no cost, and you can use the free credit to start your journey. After signing up, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, you can view your account stats and manage everything in one place. Step 2. Explore multiple niches. In the Create section, you'll have access to a wide range of categories, offering the flexibility to produce videos across various niches. Whether you're creating short clips or long-form content, this versatility allows you to experiment with different topics and find the niche that resonates best with your audience. It's the perfect opportunity to test different formats and discover which one can lead you to the success you've been seeking. With so many options available, you can easily explore different creative avenues and fine-tune your content to maximize engagement and growth. For this demo, I'll create a documentary-style video. Step 3. Choose your setup. I've selected a specific template and clicked on the Advanced Setup option. Here's how it works step by step. Category selection. Start by confirming or customizing your chosen category. Topic and title. Add your video title. For instance, I've picked how dinosaurs were born and died. Language and duration. Select the language, English, in this case, and set the video length. The tool allows durations of up to 10 minutes, which is perfect for long-form videos. I've chosen a length of 5 to 8 minutes. Step 4. Set up video details. Next, fine-tune your video settings. Aspect ratio. Choose desktop for long-form YouTube content. Motion video clips. Enable this magical feature to add realistic motion effects that make your videos more engaging. Be mindful, though, this feature uses more credits and increases processing time. Camera effects. Select from a range of effects to enhance visual dynamics. Step 5. Character consistency and scene duration. For narrative-driven videos, activate the character consistency feature to ensure uniformity in your characters throughout the scenes. Next, adjust the scene duration according to your preference, such as setting it to 4 seconds per scene, to maintain a smooth flow and pacing in your video. Step 6. Select AI models and styles. AI image models. Choose from 3 options, each varying in quality and credit usage. For this video, I've selected the Pro model. Artistic style. Set the style to match your theme. I've opted for a cinematic look. Step 7. Add voiceovers and music. Voiceover. Genie AI provides a range of ultra-realistic voice options to choose from. Take the time to listen to each one and select the voice that best matches your video's tone and style. For this particular project, I selected a voice that suits the documentary style, ensuring the narration complements the content and enhances the overall viewing experience. This feature allows you to add a professional touch to your videos, making them more engaging and dynamic. Background music. Pick a track that suits your video's mood. Adjust the volume to ensure balance with the narration. Step 8. Add transitions and subtitles. Transitions. Ensure seamless transitions with balanced energy and optional sound effects for a polished feel. Subtitles. Place subtitles at the bottom of the screen and turn on the karaoke effect for an added professional touch, enhancing both readability and viewer engagement throughout the video. Step 9. Generate your script and scenes. Click on Generate Script to create a comprehensive script for your video. Once you're happy with it, move on to Create Scenes. This step may take a few minutes, but it will produce visually striking assets that will enhance your video and bring your ideas to life. Step 10. Convert images to motion videos. Review the generated scenes and transform static images into dynamic motion videos. For the best results, use automatic camera motion or customize the motion manually for each scene to suit your vision. This step ensures your video feels engaging and visually captivating. Step 11. Finalize and generate video. When all scenes are complete, combine them into a polished video by selecting Generate Video. The time required for this process depends on the video's length, so be patient as the tool works to create your final product. This step ensures all elements come together seamlessly, delivering a professional and visually engaging video. Results that impress. The result is a sleek, captivating video. For instance, my dinosaur-themed video came out amazing, featuring 94 scenes with stunning motion effects that brought the content to life and kept viewers fully engaged throughout. Creating shorts and TikToks. The process for short videos is similar. Adjust the duration to 30 to 90 seconds, select the portrait aspect ratio, and follow the same steps to generate engaging short-form content. Pricing plans. Here's an overview of Vigini AI's pricing. Free plan. Start your journey with 100 free credits to explore and experiment with the tool at no cost. Starter plan. $22 per month, ideal for beginners. This plan provides 2,000 credits, allowing you to create up to 30 minutes of video. While it includes basic features, some advanced options are limited. Creator plan. $49 per month, designed for more ambitious creators. This plan offers 5,000 credits to produce up to 75 minutes of video. It includes full access to motion effects, making your videos more dynamic and engaging. Pro plan. $99 per month, perfect for professionals. This plan gives you 10,000 credits, enabling the creation of up to 150 minutes of video. Enjoy complete access to all features for the ultimate creative experience. Save 10% on the Pro monthly plan using my discount code, or opt for the Pro annual plan to get 2 free months, equating to a 33% discount. Begin your creative journey with Vigini AI. Signing up is easy and free through the link in the description. Start producing stunning, high-quality videos today and elevate your content creation process like never before. Don't wait, unlock your potential now. Don't miss my next video, where I'll introduce another incredible tool to elevate your content creation. See you soon.